Yes, morning again. I'm going to repair the steering clocks. So the the bottom of the shoes already gone on the midsole. So you're going to replace the midsole. The midsole, you can take a look. It's already gone, and the tread. So yes, this is the children clocks. I already took out the list. So I already cut off half of the midsole and the shoe bottom. You notice the shoe bottom already gone, and there is a sole in where foot rest. So I'm going to put the clocks on this. So I take off the sole in from this and put it on this. So as I go, you will see. So yes, my peep. So I already don't stick it. I already don't stick it right around. I already don't stick it right around. I already don't stick it right around. Right around. So I'm going to sew it right where my finger is. Where the sewing goes back right around. Going to sew it. So I'm going to sew it. I will show you the start. So yes, I already done put on the bottom of the shoes. I already done put on the bottom. So I'm going to cut it around now and show you. Yes. So I already done cut it around. I already done cut it around. So this brown twine you're gonna see black. So I already done cut it around. So I already done cut it around. I already done cut it around. So that black thread, that white thread. Sorry, my bad. That brown thread you're gonna see black. So you're going to hide it out. Hide it out. Gonna hide it out. So you will see the product when I sand it. So yes, again, I already done sand it around. 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 You will see the finished product. So yes, I already done polish it. I already done polish it. So you need a shoe repair? Check me. I'm doing every little and everything. Yeah, so the clocks already done. Yeah, like, subscribe, follow me.